Welcome to Presidency University. Present day student is much different from the students of the past in many ways. Students like to make decisions on their own and like to plan their future by themselves. But student aspirations on one hand and the demands of the workplace on the other have become highly diverse. Employers expect students to have multidisciplinary competency. The present day rigid cohort system of learning offers little flexibility to students in selecting the courses of their choice and helps little in becoming a well-rounded personality. Considering these aspects, effective from 2021-22, Presidency University is planning to introduce new features into academics by introducing a flexible choice-based credit system with options to have electives not only from their school or department, but across schools like engineering, management, design, law, social sciences, information technology, media studies, etc. The flexibility will be in the form of allowing students to change their pace of study during their program period depending on their academic ability. Hence, the number of credits and courses they study in each semester can be decided by themselves. They can choose their class teacher, decide the order of selection of courses, class timings. Hence, every semester, each student will prepare their own timetable, which will be unique. The teaching will be application-based and student-centric. After all, engineering is learning by doing. Hence, the concept of project-based learning will be introduced so that students learn hands-on in most of their courses. There will be opportunity to learn foreign language courses during their stay at Presidency University. To encourage innovative ideas of students even in their earlier days of engineering education and to provide a platform to demonstrate and showcase their ability, an innovation project using Arduino will be carried out during their first semester itself. The second semester will have another innovation project using Raspberry Pi. Students are free to select their own team members, faculty guide, and even their own project topic. To teach essential skills used in daily life under one umbrella and to make students familiar with basic engineering skills in areas like electrical, civil, mechanical, computer engineering, etc. A life skill course will be offered to all students. The skills like domestic wiring, fixing leaking taps, electrical fuse change, preparing IT return, preparation of bank loan document, how to do a first aid, use of fire extinguisher, good health and nutritional practices, trading in share, etc. will be taught. More than 100 such skills will be made available in which students can choose and learn the skills they are interested in. Though a minimum attendance condition is prescribed to be met by all the students, students who demonstrate academic excellence will be exempted from this minimum requirement. They can use that time to do extra projects or preparation of papers or attending conferences, co-extracurricular activity participation, etc. They can very well perform. All the exams will be of open class notes type, which encourages students to take notes in the class, and that is going to improve their attentiveness in the classes. Features like auditing a course, substitution of one elective by another, grade improvement option, and many other such academic reforms will be affected from the coming academic year. Elective courses will be offered as baskets within baskets concept so that students get plenty of opportunities to select even program-based electives. Students can do even a research project with the faculty for credits and publish research papers during their undergraduate period, which helps them to get admission into world-renowned universities in India and abroad. Semester abroad program at any partner university in abroad is an attractive option to carry out the final year capstone project. Each department will offer minor and honors credentials as programs so that students can earn additional credentials within their program period. Summer semester courses and projects will help them in this regard. In order to make students ready for their placements, soft skill courses will be offered in each semester starting from their first semester till they go to their placements. There will be free hours in each week for students to participate in co or extracurricular activities by joining a club or society or a chapter for academic credits. Extramural lectures and events like hackathon, codathon, ideathon, etc. will help students develop not only their academic ability, but also helps them to attain a well-rounded personality during their stay at Presidency University. Wishing you all the best.